Next concept, maximum and minimum distance of a point from the circle. Next concept, maximum and minimum distance of a point from the circle. Maximum and minimum distance of a point from the circle. Let C be the center. Let C be the center. R be the radius of the circle. The diameter AB passes through P. The diameter AB passes through P. Maximum and minimum distance of a point from the circle. Let C be the center, R be the radius of the circle. The diameter AB, diameter passing the center, the diameter AB passes through P. Here, PA is called minimum distance. PA is called minimum distance. PB is called maximum distance. PA is called minimum distance. Minimum distance. PB is called maximum distance. This is point P. This is least distance. So highest distance is PB. What is the least point? Least point or minimum point is A, maximum point is B. Suppose let PC is equal to D. Let PC is equal to D. Let PC is equal to D. First calculate minimum distance. This is center. What is the PA? PA is equal to, first calculate PA. PA is equal formula. What is the formula of PA? So PA is equal to CP minus CA. CP minus CA. PA is equal to CP minus CA. So PA is equal to CP minus CA. CP is equal to D, or CP minus CA is equal, this distance is radius. This is radius. So minimum distance is equal to formula CP minus R. So minimum distance formula PA is equal CP minus R, R minus CP. So distance is non-negative. So distance is not negative. Therefore PA is equal CP minus R or R minus CP. So minimum distance formula CP minus R. Minimum distance formula CP minus R. Next, here PA is minimum distance. PA is called minimum distance or shortest distance. This is shortest distance. PB is called longest distance. Next, longest distance. PB is equal to PB is equal to CP. PB is equal to CP plus CB. So CP plus CB is equal, this is radius. So CP plus R. Shortest distance formula CP minus R. Longest distance is equal to CP plus R. Sum of shortest plus longest is equal to sum of shortest distance plus longest distance is equal to PA plus PB is equal to sum of shortest plus longest distance is equal to CP minus R plus longest distance is equal to CP plus R. So minus R plus R get cancelled, 2CP. So sum of shortest distance plus longest distance is equal to formula 2CP. 2CP. PA is called shortest distance. So A is minimum point. What is minimum point? B is called maximum point. How to calculate minimum and maximum point? How to calculate minimum and maximum point? So I'm taking the line segment. PAC. Okay, PAC. So total, this distance is equal to D. So CA is equal, this distance is equal to R. Okay. So A divides PC in the ratio is what is A divides? A divides, A is inside. So A divides internally. So A divides PC in the ratio is, A divides PC in the ratio is PA is to PC. PA is to PC. Here A divides PC in the ratio PA is to AC. What is PA? PA is shortest distance. The shortest distance is equal to D minus R. So D minus R is to PC. Sorry, PA is to AC. Sorry, AC. PA is to AC. AC is equal to radius. So A divides PC in the ratio is D minus R is to R. What is D? D is equal to CP distance. What is D? D is equal to CP. Next. Next. P, A, C, B. Okay. AC, this is radius. Next. Students. So B divides, this is a maximum point. B divides piece in the ratio. B outside. So B divides externally. B divides externally. So B divides PC in the ratio is, B divides PC in the ratio is externally, minus PB is to CB. Minus PB is to CB. Here B is outside. B outside. So B outside externally. So externally ratio minus B divides PC in the ratio is minus PB is to CB. Minus PB is longest distance. Longest distance is equal formula CP plus R. CP means D. So D plus R is to R. So longest point B divides in the ratio is minus D plus R is to R. Shortest distance A divides PC in the ratio is D minus R is to R. Okay, some problems in shortest and longest distance. Next problem. Find the shortest and largest. Find the shortest and largest distance from the point 2 comma minus 7 to the circle x square plus y square minus 14x minus 10y minus 151. Find the shortest and largest. Shortest means minimum, maximum. Shortest and largest distance from the point. This point is P. X1, Y1. Okay, shortest distance is equal formula. CP minus R. Longest distance is equal formula CP plus R. CP minus R, CP plus R. So what is first radius and center? What is center? This is the general equation circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx. So 2g is equal minus 14. G is equal to minus 7. Next 2fy. 2f is equal minus 10. F is equal minus 5. C is equal minus 151. First calculate center. Center formula minus g comma minus f. G is equal minus 7. Minus g comma minus f. 7 comma 5. Center. Next calculate radius. Radius is equal formula root of g square plus f square minus c. Next calculate radius. Radius is equal formula root of g square plus f square minus c. root of g square, g is equal minus 7 whole square plus f square, f is equal to minus 5, g square plus f square minus c. So minus of minus plus 151. So that is equal 49 plus 25 plus 151. Total value 151, 49, 25, 9, 5, 14, 74, 151, 74, 5, 225. 225 is equal 15. So radius is equal 15. Radius is equal 15. This is point P. Point P is 2 comma minus 7. So shortest distance is equal to CP minus R. Shortest distance equals CP minus R. What is C? 7 comma 5. C 7 comma 5. CP minus R. What is distance between 2 points? Root of 2 minus 7 whole square plus minus 7 minus 5 whole square. CP minus R. R is equal to 15. R is equal to 15. 2 minus 7 whole square minus 4 whole square 16. This is minus 7 minus 5 minus 12. Minus 12 whole square 144. 144 plus 2 minus 7 5. 5 square 25 minus 15. This is 169. So root 169 is equal to 13. 13 minus 15. So distance is not negative. Therefore, shortest distance is equal mod minus 2. Answer shortest distance. Distance is not negative. Therefore, shortest distance is equal to mod of minus 2. 2. Shortest distance is equal to 2. Shortest distance is equal to 2. Next, longest distance. Longest distance is equal to CP plus R. What is CP? This is CP. CP is equal to 13 plus R is equal to 15. 13 plus 15, 28. So shortest distance to longest distance 28. Shortest to longest 28. Sum of shortest and longest distance is equal to sum of shortest and longest distance. Shortest distance plus longest distance is equal to 2 plus 28 is equal to 30. The point on the circle, the point on the circle, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0, which is at a maximum distance, which is at a maximum distance from the point P minus 9 comma 7 is minus 9 comma 7. The point on this circle, here calculate maximum distance. So maximum point, here calculate maximum point. Here calculate maximum point, not maximum distance. Calculate maximum point. Calculate point B. This is point A. This is point P. So B divides P in the ratio is, okay, first calculate radius and center. First this is general equation circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. 2g is equal to minus 6. 2f is equal to 4. C is equal to minus 12. G is equal to minus 3. F is equal to 2. C is equal to minus 12. Center formula minus g comma minus f. So center is minus g comma minus f 3 comma minus 2. Next radius formula g square plus f square minus c, that is equal root of g square. G is equal minus 3 whole square 9, f square, f is equal to 2 square 4, minus c here also minus 12, minus or minus plus 12. This is root 25, 5. Radius is 5. Students, next point P, minus 9 comma 7. Point C, C is center 3 comma minus 2. First calculate CP. Distance between 2 points formula x1 minus x2 whole square minus 3 minus 3 minus 9 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus or minus plus 2 whole square. This is 12 whole square 144 plus 7 plus 2 9 square 81 144 81 root 225 15. So D is equal to 15. Okay. Next B divides PC or CP in the ratio is, B divides PC in the ratio is minus PB is to CB. Okay. Minus CB is to PB. Minus PB is equal to, PB means the longest distance. That is equal to formula D plus R is to R. Minus D is equal to CP, that is equal to 15 plus R is equal to 5 is to R is equal to 5. That is equal to minus 20 is to 5, minus 4 is to 1. So B divides PC in the ratio is minus 4 is to 1. B divides PC in the ratio is minus P is to 1, minus 4 is to 1. B divides PC in the ratio is minus 4 is to 1. B divides PC in the ratio is minus 4 is to 1. Point P minus 9 comma 7. Point C 3 comma minus 2. Apply section formula. This point is x1 y1. This point is x2 y2. This is m is to n. Section formula. B is equal formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. That is equal to m is to n, mx2 minus 4 into 3 minus 12 plus nx1, n is equal to 1, x1 9, 1 into minus 9 by m plus n minus 4 plus 1 comma my2 minus 4 into minus 2 8 plus ny1 n is equal to 1 into 7 by m plus n minus 4 plus 1 that is equal to minus 12 minus 9 minus 21 minus 21 by minus 3 8 plus 7 15 by minus 3 that is equal minus get cancelled, 3 7s are 21, 7 comma minus 5. Answer 7 comma minus 5.